You learn a lot when you're starting from nothing, like you're creating a sculpture.
Modern cars function more like devices than machines. The process of designing them also involves more computers than ever before. But how those designers are trained is still surprisingly hands-on.
We start ideating and sketching. From there, we create a block, and it's ugly for a little while, and it's a lump of clay for a little while. In school, it's good to learn and get your hands dirty and truly feel the surfaces.
Madison Blood is a student at College for Creative Studies in Detroit. Her final project is a Jaguar concept vehicle.
I've always been searching for vehicles to have personality. To me, that's where design steps in. I was thinking about that person stepping into themselves and expressing that through a vehicle, like being able to say, I am here, I am audacious, I am myself. It's a lot of world building. I'm thinking about what future do I want to create.
Across the country, companies have cut or are reluctant to hire early career workers thanks to artificial intelligence. And automakers say AI saves money and time in the vehicle drafting process. But there's still a need for traditional car design skills. Paul Snyder is the chair of the Transportation Design Department at CCS.
So the idea is that they progress through these very formative experiences of working in a traditional way, and they develop their own aesthetic sensibilities and their own critical judgment about what constitutes a beautiful design. They're doing all that before they have access to these AI tools, so that when they use AI and AI iterate 300 different proposals, with their trained eye, they can make a solid judgment.
Artistic judgment is what earned Blood a job at Ford Motor Company.
People wanting authenticity and transparency and sustainability. How can we use those cues to then create a vehicle with personality? I don't have those answers, but I do think that that's something that should be considered, even if it's unrealistic for this time. Maybe 40 years in the future, it becomes a reality. You can't get there without starting somewhere. It takes a lot of passion to really put yourself all in. But if you do that, it's very rewarding. The things you can do, you can see the things you create on the road. I can't wait for the day that I get to do that.